All right, everyone, welcome to Prospective Forex. I'm just going to share my opinion, my perspective on how I analyze the charts and to get successful trades. Um, Before I begin, just to let you know that this content is just for informational purposes only, and you should never interpret any such information as other material such as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. I'm basically just a retail trader, and please practice proper risk management. All right, so today we will be analyzing odd USD. Why odd USD? For me personally, it's the easiest pair for me, honestly, to be honest, it's the easiest pair to analyze. You can use the Fibonacci, you can use simple support and resistance. And as you can see here on the screen, we're using Bollinger Bands. That's these three lines here, the Bollinger Bands. All right, so let's go. So first, before I start taking any trades, I would do like a quick summary of the information that I'm seeing here on the chart. Is basically all these candlestick patterns and how they retrace or move between the Bollinger Bands. And the most important thing that I always look for is this middle line here. It's basically the SMA. That's the simply, I'm sorry, that's a simple moving average. This middle line is very special to me right here, but I'm not going to go in depth with it right now. So, all right, so basically, what I'm going to do is just to identify support and resistance levels that I'm seeing here. All right, so here's a resistance right here. There's a resistance right here. There's also a support right here. Oh, sorry about that. All right, and also there's a minor support here. Minor, very minor support here. All right, so let me just give you a further in-depth information of what's going on here. You can see where price read the low here. Let me just get the demonstrations up. All right, you can see where price broke here and then retrace. Then a minor support was formed to make a retest here, and then it go all the way down to this support right here. All right, so within that movement, you can see where it expect for me what I'm basically looking for is the price to tap into around this level right here. Let me just get that here. Price to tap into this level. Whoa. Sorry about that. Which it did. It did tap into this level here. Let me just put the line for you. All right. So what I saw today was that price tapped back into this level right here, this zone, the support here, made a retest and went all the way down. So this was around 38 pips. It was around 38 pips. Not bad. But if we should take a general look into odd USD, I'm basically seeing price going all the way. Let me just check. This is the daily time frame. Weekly, we can see the support again here, just to confirm. And when you're making the confirmations of the support and resistance, what I've seen is that it's very easy to get them on the higher time frames rather than the smaller time frames. As you can see here, the smallest time frame I have here is the 5 minute time frame. I basically use that to get like sniper entries. So that's the smallest for me, but for major support and resistance levels, it's the 1 hour time frame. You can get them on the 1 hour time frame, but it's best to start on the daily first and then go down to the 1 hour time frame. So it's better I'm sorry. It's better to get like more information from the daily time frame. All right. So just to simplify what happened today was that on let me just confirm. All right, so this was on the 26th. We can see where price break below this support right here. Price break below the support that is right here, right? And then it made a retest, this bullish candle right here, a doji, and then it went down. Then it made the last retracement to this level here, and there was a strong rejection, and we can see where price went down to this support. So if we should look on the overall trend of the RUSD, we can see it's practically bearish for about, let me say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for about 5 weeks. So what the overall trend for me is bearish, so I did not take any bullish trades in that entire 5 weeks. It was just bearish sells. Sorry about that. Just sells all the way within those 5 weeks. All right, so what I'm expecting to see within like a matter of months, let me say around in May, we should see where some form of retracement should be made, because if we should look on the smaller time frames, let's go on the daily, we can see where it made a retracement here, and it's at this support level. And we're also seeing a major support level right here. Let me just get it again. Around this level here. A major support here on the monthly time frame. A major support here. But what I'm assuming is that price will break here. So we have about, let me see, about 140 pips leave to break this level. That's a like practically around a week or a week or two, or yeah, around 2 weeks. Yeah, two weeks a max. So what I'm seeing is that price based on the price action that I'm seeing is that we might fill this week here. And this is from 2020. We might fill this week. We might fill this week. And we can see here as well. You can see here within this level, price made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts to try and break above this level. Let me remove this. Price made 5 attempts to try break above this level here, and then it rejected, and then price stopped back into this level right here again and went down. So the overall trend that I'm seeing here for odd USD is that it's going to continue bearish. So the only thing that I would have to do is just to sell, sell, sell. But basically for now, I'm just watching the retracement. There should be a retracement here. There should be a retracement. Let me just remove this. All right, so there should be a retracement or price break below this level. And here would be, let me just get the ticks here. No trade zone. Based on what I'm seeing here, I don't think I'll be taking any trades here between this section. Let me just confirm over here. No, that was, sorry about that, my arrow. That was my arrow. So I'm saying that price, there should be a retracement. There should be a retracement. Is either price will retrace at this level here. Let me just get this adjusted here for you. All right, there we go, much more better. All right, so price can retrace here. Let me just confirm. All right, so price can retrace here to around this level right here and go down, or we can see price go here, break below this, retrace, and then go down. So I'm expecting those patterns within a couple of weeks. And I hope this video was helpful.